Presenting iQOO Z9X 5G smartphone. The available storage variants are 4GB RAM, 128GB storage and 6GB RAM, 128GB storage and 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. The available color variants are green and gray. This comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB memory storage. Designed with 6.72 inches large display, 120Hz 7-level adaptive refresh rate, 2408 by 1080 resolution and 1000 nits high brightness. It has FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14 and powered by 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 with 560K plus and 2.2 score that gives phone a lag-free smooth experience. It offers up to 10 hours of binge with just 30 minutes of charging and 6000 mAh ultra slim battery phone with 44 watts flash charge. The box includes cell phone, eject tool, warranty card, quick start guide, phone case, charger and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.